Alright, so welcome again. Welcome again, folks. Welcome again. See, this in my hand here is what provide joy and happiness to millions. Billions, actually. Billions. So the earth has about 7 point something billion people. And this piece of, see a tear up, provide joy to billions. I say I can turn it upside down if you get a better look. Hey, I can't do it because this mirror. This provide billions of happiness across the world this year. Specifically to me, on a Sunday morning, when I play my Sunday morning ball game. So most of the ball them probably are tuning. Not bad like you know. But definitely can do a little thing. Not at that level, but me can do a little thing. So, but first I want to say this definitely to the under 20 team. Congratulations, and to the coach as well. Congratulations to reaching the quarterfinals of the CONCACAF under 20 competition. You guys did well. You guys went out there. You guys put in a shift. You put in a really gritty shift despite all the adversities. Despite all the adversities, all the noise, all the issues, you guys went out there and put in a solid performance. Many people might have different views on the performance, but you guys stand strong and you definitely represent well. But most definitely, congrats, man, and the journey just started. Let's look at it that way. So all of the players, them, Pearson, Zimenez, Badley Morgan, Rochester, Devante, Bignell, all you guys, stay strong. The journey just start. Don't believe it has ended. Blakey, hold on. Do not believe that it has ended. The journey has just started. There's a lot more of football for you guys to play. There's a lot more for you guys to learn. You guys have over possible 10 to 15 more years of football to play. So don't let this demotivate you or discourage you. Continue to put in the work. Continue to put in the work. That's how football is. You win some, you lose some. It's just unfortunate. It's tough. It's really tough. That is football. No one says it will be easy, but one thing we know for sure, it's gonna be hard. So gear your mind for that. You have tougher times ahead, man. This is soft, man. You have tougher times ahead. Alright, so I'm going to do a small preview to the game. I wanted to do the live on my YouTube channel. I wanted to get maybe one or two of the footballers to come onto the live. But boy, man, I'm afraid. Man, I'm afraid, people. Man, I'm afraid. The ball, I'm afraid. I don't know why I don't know what the ball, I'm afraid of. I'm afraid people see them shy. All different type of things, man. So, I don't know. But anyways, most definitely, as we go along, go run through some stuff. Now, as I said last night, we witnessed one of the best display the Jamaica Premier League has ever seen. I'm not saying it is, one of the best display the Jamaica Premier League has ever seen. A 7-goal thriller, going into extra time, going into penalty shootout. And when I look on that pitch, I saw two things. Belief and the desire to win. I saw two things. Belief and the desire to win. That is what I saw on the field last night in both games. Belief and the desire to win. That is the reason why people, when each one of these teams would have lost one of these games, you see the players crying. I'm not crying, man, on a ball, man, in love ball. It's tough. Fresh God said most definitely one of the best in years. Agree. That's what I saw last night on the pitch. Belief and desire to win. Definitely. Big up J14 baller. And you cannot say that these players don't want to do better. That these players are not interested in making themselves top tier footballers or playing at the highest level. If we should be honest with ourselves, man, the JPL is not the highest level. They are higher or top tier levels than the JPL. Not saying that it's worse, But you can see in how the players apply themselves in last night games. In last night games, how these guys, the intention, what they want to do, how they want to progress. As I said, on the pitch, belief in themselves, the desire, the heart, it just, you can feel the passion. If you're in a stance, you can feel it in a stance. You can feel the passion. And must say, Sportsmax, Donald Oliver, and the other commentator, they did deliver with some definitely tremendous commentating in that game. Keep the vibes going. Big up Sportsmax. Big up. I have to say big up Sportsmax because I think you guys play a huge contribution to this. Even though I am pretty much upset about the finals. I'm upset about the finals. The finals should kick off at 7:30. I'm really upset about that. I believe that the first game should have kicked off at possible 5 o'clock, like norm, and the last game at 7:30. Sunday evening, stretch out the evening, man. Let the people them come out, come spend their money. Let the people them come out, come spend their money. Let the fans them come enjoy themselves. Can't 8 o'clock and game are done. No, that can't work. That can't work. That can't work. The people want to go home so early. People want to go home 10 o'clock. People want to reach home 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. So they can sleep and get up frost a morning and go work. Say, boy, I watch a ball game, but me frost. So we can talk, so we're tired. But yes, still we can talk about how nice the ball game be. As I say still, people, they want even a few of the ball game to come and come join me. Our discussion, look into the game coming up. If you see what the mindset there, I really want to see the ball, where the mindset there leading to the final. I want to see that. All them believe in themselves. I wanted to discuss the journey to the finals. I want to discuss the journey to the final. Alright, so let me see. So me just send an invite when I ball them. Let me see if I accept. Let me see if I accept. Just send an invite when I ball them. Because we want to know. I want to know. We need to know people. We need to know the drive. We need to know the motivation. We need to know what keep them going. We need to know. We really need to know that. I'm pretty glad that the JPL made the game and play too early, man. It should have been a night final. I agree. It should have definitely been a 7:30 final. More eyes, a lot more eyes. Not just more eyes, it's just the atmosphere at that point in time. It's because them spoil with the Monday night football. And that one feel. You see, even if they are on it, down a jungle, jeez. I tell you, all if I down a jungle. Them AP said about 6 when them are going to get what them are going at 6 o'clock. Big up.
Nine, my general.
What go on? So like one in the old time radio they I use one where you turn and it tweak to get the frequency. What go on?
Yeah, me I say why them put the game at 6 o'clock? Right? It could be all a 8 o'clock game.
Boy, that's a good question. No, me no know. You know, you go on, them keep a press conference tomorrow. I think maybe I have to do it broadcasting. The slot will then get to the broadcasting. Could be. It could be that could be the reason. See there in drop off as well. Gunnar Boss said, no more turning off the comments, boss. We need this space for the troll. No man. Anytime we turn off the comments, most of the time we turn off the comments, it's like actually for when me I do the like me the games them when I stream the games them. That's the one time we turn off the comments them when I stream the game. But I do know that a lot of people will be upset about the game being here at 6 p.m. A lot of people will be upset about that because I think it has to do with the environment that were given to us with the 7:30 kickoff. I know anything about it, 7:30, 6, just an hour and a half difference. Hour and a half difference. You're not really that far, but you want the night environment, man. You want to feel like you go up on a Sunday evening, go enjoy yourself. That's the feeling that you want. That I feel what you want. Like you go up on a Sunday and go enjoy yourself. I mean, know the whole about. I expect to see most of the ball from the league in the stands. Must come support to contribute to the atmosphere. And funny enough, every baller go carry a team. Every baller will be bringing a team. That's just fact. All I baller must support a team. So maybe like Harbour View beat Waterhouse, Waterhouse I go want Dunbeholden. Maybe just saying, I just say go. Gunner Boss said, where do you want to see Kevin Durant play next? Gunner Boss, I don't know nothing about basketball. Me don't know nothing about basketball. All me just know a few names. MJ, Michael Jordan, me know LeBron James. For some reason, me rate LeBron James. Me don't know nothing about basketball, but LeBron James, LeBron rate. Me don't know why, but me rate him. And then me rate Steph Curry. Maybe because of the name that me here, but I just him me rate. And me never even watch him. I can't recall sitting and watching LeBron. But I him me rate. Me don't know. I just maybe because of the name. I'm just hear him bad. But me don't watch basketball. That is the importance of having a star in any sport you have, because a person like me who don't watch basketball can call a name and say, hey, I think he's good. I think he's good. So LeBron, I star for me, even though I never really watch it. But one thing though, I have seen Curry. What is Stephen Curry? The guy named Curry, the brown youth. John no star, 3-pointer done. Me not like, me see him, me watch him. 3-pointer done. But I say I go. Rick Clean Boss a come on. Let me see if the invite get accepted. Somebody invite him now get accepted, I'm not sure why. Oh, big up Rick.
Blessings.
Wagwan. What's about the game Sunday?
For me still, how I go on the game for me Sunday. At the third place.
At third place?
Yeah.
You know. Who should I think them?
The reason being why the third place, remember last year final, Waterhouse versus Cavaliers. You know Waterhouse.
Oh, yes, the backside. So the finalists last year, at third place this year.
Exactly.
You know. If I never said I wouldn't be looking at it.
No, well, and everybody I go pre like that, but me deep in my football, so me I'll look out for it. You see me?
Yeah, look out for it.
Yeah.
So what specifically you look out for the game then?
Yeah, me I look out for the game. Because the game is a revenge game.
Revenge game?
Yeah.
You think Waterhouse can do it?
Why? Not even know, To tell you the truth.
From Positional, them take a dip,
Alright. Me have Deborah Gray there in a Waterhouse team. You see me? Come from the same community, play a few years back together in the same community team.
Yeah.
You see me? And I feel like if the coach him give more time, him will do what him can do best. You see me? Same like when in the Darky Valley.
You know a funny thing about football? So for example, it's like when you say if the coach give him more time.
Yeah.
What you don't find out is that you have another man in a team where I do what the coach wants right now. So
no, in a Waterhouse team, a lot of
Waterhouse don't have an out-and-out striker.
Them did have Colorado Murray, don't know.
But
and them get rid of Murray.
No, you flip on this as well, System, right?
Yeah.
System. Yeah. Did that work with Murray in a system, or you never did that work?
Yeah, I did that work with Murray. But then again, remember them they have Ocean Sharp as well,
Yeah.
Them at Bradford.
Yeah, Bradford is young in time. Bradford still a learning game, I've remember Bradford young.
Remember last Premier League season, he was the man. You get me? So this year now, Bradford did half. So as me I say, if them did a give Deborah Gray the time there. When last you see James play?
Wow.
A lot of people watch the game, but them now.
Me not see because even to them I find out that Shaniel Thomas not the Cavaliers. I to them I find out that.
Yeah, him not did it when last you see him play.
He not did it again, man. He not did it again.
The last game I think him play, I come on the field, think against Stival him think.
You're up top, my boss.
Big up on the nail. Yes, all right. As Mr. Stillness in a football, most of us view football like say it is like just 1 + 1 = 2. And the truth, I don't say go at all.
Yeah.
So for example, yeah, say you are striker. Say you are strike for Waters, right? All right.
Yeah.
So one only last strike for Waters. My main striker for Waters.
Yes.
And Rick. Yeah, second string striker. One only is a target striker, big, strong, can hold the ball. But I type of striker will run the lines, right? You run the line, you run the channel. That's how you play. No, the coach decides you are going. For this season, we're going to change the system. We're going to play with 2 quick wingers. But guess what? One only like main striker now. And because you will start using 2 quick wingers, 2 pace wingers, to open up the pitch and give them more width. This is what happened now. Because one only like main striker and him plays a target man. The game require now we have a man who are going to drop centrally because the 2 wide man them are going to come inside, are going to collapse inside.
Yeah.
They require a man who will come centrally and not a target man. So now Rick, have to go come into the game. So switch over to become the main striker and one only become the second string striker. Despite one only maybe be better than you as a striker, but guess what? Him just don't fit the system of what the coach wants.
Yeah, true that.
So even though he better, him not gonna give goal.
Definitely. Me understand where you forward from.
Two big member maybe you better on the wing. Remember some maybe them now work with no main man again. No.
So it's like basically a Lukaku and Kai Havertz.
Yeah, man. Our team Werner. Exactly.
Yeah.
So it boils down to what the coach wants and who can deliver in a coach system. So we'll go back to Gray now. Maybe the reason why Gray not get enough game time. All right. So for example, Gray get a goal for looking when he travel what day now.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, get a lot of playing time.
But
that's the first 2 games.
That have to do because them have injuries and I think some players get ruled out because of COVID. So Gray slacking and him do good. Him do really good for that.
Yeah, him do good.
Gray Everton?
No, Dev Right Gray.
The next striker for Waters, when name man, the one who score up a goal man, and him
Leslie.
And him look good. Him look good as well.
Yeah, but remember after Leslie come back from the overseas tournament, remember him pick up an injury against Veer.
You know the reason why
he pick up an injury against Veer for 2. You
know I'm to Waters now? Tired now.
Well, yo, the back and forth traveling, but to me feel like Cavaliers more tired than them because Cavaliers left from the 2 playing. You see me? Them do one.
Man. Waters play more game. Waters play more.
You still have to remember the travel. You still have to remember the traveling, bro.
No, but alright. So what?
Remember, Waters play one more game, 3rd and 4th, Remember, Waters play a 3rd and 4th game now to qualify for the Conca Cup Champion League,
Exactly.
All right.
Waters play more game, man. Waters play. I think Cavaliers play about 3 games. Waters play 5 games.
Yeah.
Waters play about 5 games.
Yeah, man.
So in that essence, that me can tell you. And excuse me, I bill for Waters.
I understand.
Remember me give a prediction for the first day. Me tell him, say anybody win on it match of them and win the league.
No, yes.
Remember that.
But them have to pass Dunbeholden still. So I can't say who are going to win it because them have to go pass Dunbeholden. And look on, man. Look on Dunbeholden. You see how Christian are play? You see by grip, look on by grip changing number.
Yeah, man, they're on the farm now.
No, changing number and it goes for it come back.
Number 7, a Bygrave, right number.
Right number.
You see me? Because when him there in Antigua, I play with him in Antigua. Play against him. You see me? I never play with him in the same team, but I play against him number of time. The last time I play against him, I actually relegate him team out of the Premier League division.
Yeah, man, I said I'm proud.
You get me? No, me can't say proud. And as me tell a player, the first year when Bygrave go back in the National Premier League, me tell him say him now gonna make it the first year when him go Dunbeholden because at the time the Andre Thomas was on farm for them.
DeAndre, yeah man.
Yeah?
Yeah,
And
yeah,
then
true.
what year when the Premier League start back, I tell a man say, watch out, Andre Thomas run go Portmore him now play. By Brave now get the main stats there and that him want because Belgrave is a man who can score. You can't give him a chance. And he hurt a lot of him.
He's a goal scorer.
He hurt a lot of team.
Yeah.
In Antigua.
But Belgrave have a playing style like him might kill or nothing, you know.
No, you can't, no, bro.
This man.
You can't put Belgrave to Lukaku because first of all, Belgrave can control. Lukaku
Can't control the ball.
I see him drive about.
No, bro.
Belgrave
You ever watch Berbatov? You ever watch Berbatov?
No, Drogba. Belgrave is
no,
like
I'm not bring Drogba. I'm not gonna bring Drogba. I bring Berbatov. Berbatov can't control, but Berbatov can score, right?
Yeah.
You never watch.
Berbatov do what?
Him can't control, but him can score.
Dimitar Berbatov?
Berbatov can't control.
No.
Come on, Man United.
No. Which team you support, Rick?
These are Chelsea fans.
One of the man who has the wickedest control in the Premier League.
Footballer. Look here.
Yeah.
I respect every footballer. I come from a football family. And if me mention them people up on the live, you're gonna say, I lie me I tell.
But I've cast control my boss, man.
No, but only have wickedest control that ball, man.
I never watch Owen Garden.
Me know
man from Mobile. A wicked man, killer. That man went to 2 times, man. Mobile United man, killer, murderer. Long time.
One can give him a chance to score.
No. He will kill you.
He will hurt you.
He will hurt you.
That are the type of player.
Right now, we come like Owen Garden. Because when Owen Garden and Dino Williams are playing, I saw Savon with Art now. See him like all them on the Art.
But what me I say is this, you know, we are gonna find out that every team have them the marquee player what them look forward to. If you Dunbeholden, if you want goals, you definitely are gonna look towards Belgrave.
Man.
Are gonna look towards Belgrave.
Yeah, man.
And one thing we know. Belgrave, he was silent in that game. Belgrave was silent in that game. He do one heap of work. Run in the work. He run the camera from the whole day.
He work up there.
Yeah, man.
It's like Cardell Bembo.
But give me half a chance to lick your bag, man.
Give me half a chance.
Yeah, I remember when Cardell Bembo just came back from overseas, right? And he was playing with Kemar Beckford.
Yeah.
Becky.
How good was Cardell Bembo that season?
He come back sharp, you know. He come back sharp, man.
Exactly. And this season, Cardell Bembo have a lot for the man to deal with. Because to me, him now have the players them to give him the ball like Children Stewart.
Remember I said Bembo he pick up all that. Almost about 2 times Bembo pick up injury and I think so my time. Alright, yeah. Remember what Michelle look on this now. You see this season a lot of people now look on. And I think I can be wrong in it. This season is one of the most competitive seasons. If you look on it. So for example,
I bet
remember a lot of young people coming.
Exactly. So in this season, alright. Yes, look on when the league started. We want to look on when the league started. Look on no fighting when the league started. No fighting when the league started. They have some man tonight, some overage man, we kind of look stubby. And as the league I go down to the closing part, you know, see team them use them man there again. Them beer them use them man there again.
Yeah.
The team, this season the league younger.
Foreign's like Umberline.
This season the team younger, the team them fitter, the team them are run more. Players are more dedicated. There's a lot more things involved in Malupan this season.
Yeah, man, because nice, man.
All right, you know, let me have a discussion. With you. This discussion I have a Barfield over there, Sunday morning. From the Barfield, all ex-reggae boy, and so them always man them ever an argument. Then they ever cuss, right? And me I tell you, the man them are some bad farmer baller, some bad baller. But them have the age, you know. So me and him can't play ball together. So because then I age, me probably can't play ball with them at that time. So
Yeah.
me and them have a discussion. Them have said this season in particular, the Premier League no ball not dropping in the Premier League. And the ball is no good. So that them have said. So me say now, me go ask you the question. Would you agree say no ball in the Premier League now? And the ball, no team not drop no ball now?
Pardon me?
Alright, me go ask you first, Amrik. Do you believe that this season in the Premier League, no ball not dropping in the Premier League and no ball in the Premier League compared to previous seasons?
For me, what them say, for me not gonna agree because first of all, when Chevron Willis was early up in the season, I remember him going overseas.
Ball
Right?
a drop, man. Ball a drop.
Ball a drop.
Mm.
The league did kind of slow up away when them start
Drop.
changing.
Premier League, man.
Right?
Mm.
And then after the league pick up back. So for me, ball a play.
Alright.
You see me? You have some look unknown them players come show up with me. You see me? Trevor Reed, in the on top from day one. You see me? Maybe they not scoring a whole heap of goal. You have Shandy James a play ball. You have Martin Allen a play ball. You have what the guy that for Humberland name will have run. Dallas.
Shamar Dallas.
Yeah, you have Jivinson, go back a Humberland from Portmore. Yeah, ball a play.
All right. O'Neal, you agree say, in regards to ball dropping in the Premier League and no ball not playing in the Premier League and no ball in the Premier League. What you say upon that? Oh, you're on mute. You're on mute, man.
Nah, we're not here, O'Neal.
We're not here, you know. You're on mute, man. Jump off and come back on. Jump off and send back your request.
Why this is
so
problem?
So let me give my point of view, Panda. All right, so based off a coach I'm speak, right?
In 5 years now.
The
one I'm more excited.
Without a year in a bro.
Let me say about
all right, let me show you my give my take on it now. You see, back then, players love look at people love look at individual name. Say them man a bad baller, that them man they a bad baller. So back in the old time days, them German knew and them man they. So them a look at this one name or one or two name.
As I said that, I remember me and Kenny Light was talking and I think Cumberland lose a game. Say, yo, the man him not playing now. So I said to him, say, bro, a modern time now. And like back then when players respect players when players have name. So you know, players are gonna tackle you and them are tackle hard, but them are respect you.
Yeah.
Them are gonna tackle fish naris. Them not give a chance. Them are tackle very good. So I'm glad they bring up the
all right.
that.
Let me show you this now, right? So basically, back in the days, the previous coaches, even though some I say that coaches them, if you ask any of them coach them right now, the same coach them right now, if when them go to a game or preparation leading up to a game, if them can use the same level of preparation or the same tactics like what they used 5 years ago, or if they can use that right now, them are going to say no. I have seen so much Premier League game, and I can hardly find a Premier League game where the coach use one formation and one tactics. Tactics are changed right through the game. Players are move from position to position.
One team
system do that change within the game.
One team do that for the whole season. Dunbeholden alone do that for the whole season.
Do what?
Play one formation for the whole season.
No.
What do you mean? Who else?
No, man. All right. Let me show you how go.
Dunbeholden alone play 4-4-2 for the whole season, you know.
4-4-2? You think so? You think of 4-4-2 them play?
Of course.
All right. This is what happened, right? Them changing formation regular. It look like a 4-4-2, but they change the formation regular. Something there. Waterhouse play 4-4-2, 4-3-3. Now, with all Waterhouse play, they play an interchangeable system. They play a 4-4-3, a 4-4-2. Them have Oil and name man, next midfielder name man.
Kitty.
Kitty, yeah, politician.
Yeah.
Them have Owen and Kitty alongside.
I hear live, you know, you can't say anything, you know. You don't know about that.
Yeah, but me not see, but the man says that man have some comment.
Yeah. Well, big old George attack on Sportsmax about it.
Exactly. So, you see me, so this is how them play. Them have Kitty Sims beside each other. When they play 4-4, they're now up on the right, then both up on the left. Then have either have Javan James up front, Javan James and maybe then use Greer or Bradford.
Bradford, yeah.
But this is how they change the system throughout the game. Benbow go up on the left hand side. Then now they come in at the midfield. Bradford go up on the right hand side. And then now the stretchy field go up on the right hand side. And then and Bradford come as the attacking midfielder alongside in front of Kitty and Owl. 4 minutes now and 3 or midfield 3. So there's a level of fluidity. Despite a 4-4-2, there's a level of fluidity in how they do it. Now, if you ask, for example, if you say something play 4-4-2, right? Dunbeholden play 4-4-2. Who are two holding midfielders in 19?
You have McCarthy.
Mm-hmm.
And but the guy name scored the penalty last night. The last
penalty, man. I don't know my 2 year. 2 year? Yeah, man. Him same.
Think a 6 him wear or
6 in wear. But as Leon says, in that system there, who is the wing of them?
Repeat.
Who are the wing of them for game, for team?
The winger.
Who play on the wide? Who play wide?
Remember sometimes them have them Mario Phillips, you know.
Mm-hmm. McCarthy and Phillips. All right.
Or them have Powell outside, you know.
All right. Let me show you the flexibility now. Phillips is not a central midfielder. Phillips is actually an attacking midfielder.
Well, I'm a room player.
Exactly. In my room, Phillips gets the freedom to go. Phillips, Christian gets the freedom to go anywhere on the pitch. And I have one man in McCarthy was stand up in the central. So in the front line, the Dunbeholden front line, I was strictly fluidity. So even though they start off on the pitch, 4-4-2.
As you can see what them doing, you know them not play mostly wide.
No, them play narrow. Them play really narrow. Them play narrow. So you have Bygrave, you have McGregor. We will find out this is Bygrave and McGregor. One goes so, one goes so. After they need to change the whole game. Not a run to the whole game.
Do like this.
Exactly. And then they run to channel. But what I say is this now. It's not a definite 4-4-2. Back into the all-time days now, the system where the man play rigid. A 4-4-2, a man play in a them position. So you're on the wing, you now move from the wing. You're right back, you now move.
You now move.
System. No, you find them.
Modern football now.
Yeah, extremely modern.
You have a lot of players now can play now.
Different position. Alright, notice that most coaches are going to players who can. If you have a right back, if your coach is right back, in most use a right back who can play centre back and also right wing.
Yeah.
So alright, like Cavaliers. Cavaliers have two centre. Cavaliers centre back them can play midfield. All the Cavaliers centre back them can play midfield. King can go play central defensive midfield.
Yeah, definitely.
Cavaliers wing back them can play right back, and then wing back them can play right wing or left wing. Power at we left Cavaliers left number 11 man, left back man, wicked baller man, use 2-foot man. I can't remember name man. The wicked baller man, he was 2-foot man. Left wing he play, left wide wing.
Campbell,
Kenra, yeah. Kenra can
Yeah.
play left back, Kenra can play left wing, and you put him and play as a left wing back. So we find us most of the teams them know.
So, all right.
Them are go to a more diversified type of football.
Campbell, where you find him in best position?
In best position, all right. He's good defensively, you know. He's really good defensively. I think him actually are playing best position as a wing back. But going forward, him dangerous. Really dangerous going forward.
Going forward, I'm dangerous position because I'm watching him play left back already. And then I'm watching him play left back again in our national team. And him not perform to me like how him when I perform attacking.
Attacking wise. Alright. So same thing as a staple.
No, staple different. Staple can different and he can attack.
Alright. But what you find out now is that Staples are always high.
Because
Always high.
because Harbour View have a system for that, for set, for play so. Remember Diana play high, you know. Remember Diana play high, or Talbot now play high, or Bracket now play high. So them back, them left back and right back always an attack.
Them bump forward.
And every team in the Premier League do that, you know. That's why April as defender have the most goals in the Premier League.
I'm having most goals as a defender?
Yeah.
April 5.
Yeah, are you a stats man, you know? You supposed to know, you know.
Yeah, me I try to remember.
That, you know.
Me I try to remember, man. I'm supposed to 5 in the pan.
Yeah, I am have the leading goals.
The thing is King supposed to be on 5 as well.
No, King dep on 4.
4? Much penalty, quite a few penalties King scoring, bro.
I think King scored 3 penalty plus the goal, the curler
last night.
Yeah, that bring him to 4. Check his stats, man.
Me I go check it, man. Me I go check it.
Are you?
I mean, yeah, I mean, I'm run off the stats and stuff. But me now remember it straight out of my head. Yeah, bro, you must have seen enough for me that process, brother. That must have on a regular basis. That must have things.
Let's bring a young player from Antigua, come to Jamaica, right? And me can tell up till now nobody at Jamaica has seen quality.
Who has to bring him?
Cavaliers.
Which one I play that?
Calvin. Yeah.
That's winning.
No, not that silly. That silly is from St. Lucia.
St. Lucia. Oh.
Yeah. You have Calvin from Antigua. When I'm Jamaican as well. Till now nobody has seen quality.
I'm guessing nobody has seen quality.
Because them not play him in the right position and him not get enough game time.
I want right position.
And him can play attacking.
You play with him?
No, I not play, but I play when I watch.
Oh.
You get me?
I never really take him in depth, you know, maybe because you know getting a whole for playing time.
Alright, you remember the game against Umberlion and Cavaliers and Umberlion lose? When Cavaliers lose over Arnett Field.
Bro, I hope a football match. I hope a football match in much a process. Me have a process.
I'm playing another game there.
I try to make you remember.
Him just joined the live. I never have a picture for show up him, but me have to tag you.
No more again.
The unfortunate thing that you got have baller will still not get the limelight as what them deserve still now. You have baller still not get the limelight as what them deserve.
Cause to me, alright, see me tagging. For me, who you gonna say the best defender playing at the Premier League right now?
Right now?
Yeah.
Half back back.
Ming.
You hard look past King, you know.
No, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, King.
Me can't look past King.
Nobody now gonna look past King because him do something. Brother, Ming all time class, brother. Jamaica, JFF just narrate Kyle Ming.
Ming tough still, me not lie, Ming tough.
As tough. Jamaica, just narrate Kyle Ming. Me remember when my cousin come past GPS football. And him say every local player must get a call up in a national team. And from them time there, a lot of local base players get called up. And if I tell you who I'm a cousin, you're not going to believe me.
So like we don't know.
In Jamaica.
Yes, am I best defender in Jamaica?
One of the greatest midfielder in Jamaica.
At this moment?
No, him top player. What do you do? What do you do a video with him and post it? Now post your brain, but the wolf brother them.
Oh, wolf.
Yeah.
Brother, man, you can't kick free, kick your friend.
But and trust me, as me can tell, and a idiot family me come from.
Yeah, yes, you come from the lineage of ballers.
Me just not rush to play football in Jamaica.
Oh, see?
But when I'm my time, I'm my time.
Alright, so if you say alright, you're gonna say alright, which team you think I gonna win between Dunbeholden and Harbour?
Well, yo, alright, to tell you the truth. We have a friend who play for Harbour, you see me?
Well, you talk about friend. Man, I talk about friend, we talk about score prediction.
I hear me I say.
Yeah.
We have a friend who play for Harbour, bro.
Yeah.
You see me? And we have good friend. We play for Dunbeholden. We come from St. Catherine, bro.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, so you're bringing St. Catherine team.
So me have to work with the St. Catherine team. Because me kill Dunbeholden one time already, you know.
Yeah.
Me I play for all Harbour, baby. Me kill them. So me have to work with Dunbeholden. You see me? But you see Nicholas Hamilton. Me can't take me hand off of him.
You see, come here and read now. Come and find farm right time.
I talk about read. Me I talk about Kumi. Read different. Read. Remind me.
Yo, when you need, I've got jump off back. It's the problem same way. You look like your Wi-Fi in the water. Yeah. Yes, you get Dunbeholden.
Yeah, me have work in Dunbeholden. The best goalkeeper in a goal, you know. Damien Ayat, you know.
Yeah.
So me have to work with that, you know. You see me? You have a great Fabian McCarthy. You can put him anywhere on the field.
All right. Yeah. Now be careful of me talking about more me live. And me go Lindsay for a regular basis, you know. I guess I'm a drive through Dunbeholden. So, so me know want them man to see me. Me know want them man to see me and stop me on the journey halfway.
You keep here, me can't talk. You
so let me stay neutral.
You keep
Pick up Ryan, what go on?
Good evening, Military Guna. Good evening to your guests. Good evening to the viewers and stuff. No love and respect, Bridget.
We are going to chat some ball, you know. I don't know so we on YouTube. I'll be like the boys to chat ball. Or comment so. I've discussed it locally.
They're forward on the live still, you know.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at thing what they and me see a man go live and I know what that go on for. What do you mean I call him for your show, you know? But I say, you know, I'm leave it.
Yeah.
You see me?
Who we are talking? AP?
We not talk about that. We are leave that. We are talk about Jamaica Premier League. Them
All right.
have their money. You see me?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. The reason why I join the conversation, I come to learn today, right? And I'm going to ask you guys a few questions because I know the Jamaican Premier League good back in the days. But currently, I sit down and watch Cavaliers and the Cavaliers beat for play Dunbeholden last night. Who them play?
Mount Pleasant.
Yeah, I watched that game there. Alright? You know me as a man, I always go hard pan player. Why this player,
bro?
Why
Hold on the winter, Ryan chat some stuff. Go on, Ryan.
Why, brother, why you just see me on the live? Yeah, come on on the live. Where they from there for come on the live?
Brother, I'm so busy on the road, brother. Remember some team there final Harbour view.
Hold on. You don't have to drop that tonight. You don't have to boast for brother.
Shirt, you know.
I boast my with.
Where my man? It's a 45 Gavin killer.
No, 14. Luca Levy.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm saying no, right? Me have my belief if the Premier League is grow from them time there. But me only talking about Bygrave and thing.
Yeah.
I see him play for the national team. But now I talk you military. I'm asking you the next two man them. Why Bygrave didn't play well for the senior men's national team? Is it the pace too bigger than him or the team down playing him in theme way? Why him never live up to expectation? Bygrave, because I see him play and I see him he's a really good finisher, but when him reach on the international level, him way off.
Good question. Run it, man. Go on with.
Ryan.
Yeah.
You ever play overseas before?
If what?
Ever play overseas? I know you live in Canada, but you ever go to a top club?
No, I go to Toronto. Watch game and I go to academy in Brampton and watch training session and stuff.
Yeah, so you ever there in the stands and you feel nervous?
No, because remember say me play football in Jamaica, so
Bro, me play football. I come from a football family, bro.
no, me not nervous.
Nervous, Ryan. I can't tell me that.
No man.
When you go
No man.
me know me don't know if you're still soldier or if you're ex-soldier.
Ex-soldier no man.
Ex-soldier. When you go up on base and left from your yard, you don't feel nervous. I don't want to go in the car.
Wait, when you brother, me no want go no work.
Exactly. You don't know what right tell me.
Alright. Let me get a better explanation.
First time I get call up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Remember the man there on Andre Gray, the man there on Billy, the man there on Flemings. Oh, you expect that to go.
Alright. Me can't use that. Let me show you. Let me give you a better, a proper reason for it. You see when you see Bygrave in a Dunbeholden team, when you look on Bygrave in a Dunbeholden team, you see Bygrave in one team where you know everybody.
Exactly.
They must play with over duration of time.
That's the reason why I call Andre Gray name and Leon Bailey, because he not the man every day, bro.
Exactly. So that level of relation, so Bygrave can see all McGregor and can see all Demar Phillips and say, yo, Demar what? And know how them play. They know what to run because they know him.
Exactly.
No, this one look on this as well now. He wouldn't be the only one in a senior team you'd have to don't deliver. Remember, you know, if you look on this now, look how Liam Bailey called to some world-class performances from Liam Bailey for years now, and Liam Bailey has played at top level. We have seen it in patches. And what about Liam Bailey, when he plays them and play the highest level, and we have only seen his performances in patches. So when you go down, when you dribble down now to the man them who are come up to the level there, when you go down to the man who come up to the level there, you realize it's a vast difference. So if them
military. Military, hold on. May I give you a chance for coming in, my boss?
Yeah.
Bug Shappy. May I give Shappy a chance when him come in, auntie? Alright? Military. Listen. And that's why I tell you, say, the Premier League back then better.
Back then better?
Yeah, I'm going to tell you why. In a many different ways. Hold on.
Nice, man.
Hold on. The Premier League now, the Premier League right now, it's more professionally. It's getting there to the next level. But we don't reach there. Once upon a time, in the Premier League, you have Joma sponsor Arnett Garden. You have Nike sponsor Tivoli Garden. You have Adidas sponsor Harbour. Arnett Garden, I think Puma usually sponsor them. A lot of big name company usually sponsor some of these biggest teams. You see, currently now, with the local player them in the Premier League, they find it difficult to make an impact when they get called for the national team. You see, back then players them, they make more impact. They hungry, they prove, yeah man, back then, You have the Roland Dean, you have the Navian boy. Now, on the Jamaican team, now, the player them are playing at Jamaican Premier League. And listen, people, I'm not bashing the player them.
Look at this
yeah.
now. The same local league Richard King I come from.
Yes, but
so
me I tell you,
Richard King look just as party. Anyone top defender them.
But military, that me I tell you, say, most of the player them, you can count upon the player them when I JPL now, when they represent the Jamaican national team. Some of them not go out with nothing. I have a one.
Just give them time, Ryan, man.
Time,
how many time you want? How many time they want?
Ryan, call a midfielder name.
How much,
Ryan? Ravel Morrison.
Can you go look at job? How much want them give for probation?
Bro, this is a $1 million sports. Nobody now wait. Just listen about.
I'm gonna work a man in Ryan.
Bro, a 95 job and listen up, a 95 job different from a football job.
What do you call football?
What you say?
What do you call football?
What do you mean by what we call football? Come on, bro.
Brother, a Jamaica bad man. Right. Okay.
Your phone break up, you know, Rick. Yeah, break up. Yeah.
Right now, I get money. We play. So what you can call it now?
You break up, Rick. You break up.
Yeah, break up. You don't know what you say, Rick.
No, you're nothing.
Yeah, you're clear now.
Yeah.
A lot of players these days in the Premier League of Jamaica get like 45,000, 60,000, right? So we can go back to 2003, 2004. Players that get money there. So why players still get their money there? So why
but then player get more than the current player then, brother.
You feel so?
Ryan.
But then, listen up, Bala.
And every player back then, I get 100,000, Ryan.
Listen to me. Hold on. Brother, hold on. But then Premier League player, I get more than them current. Yes. More. When you look on it still, brother, when you look on it, on the Arnett Gardner team, they might get a whole heap of money. Like 50, 60,000.
Yeah.
Go back and check Arnett Gardner team. Go and check Tivoli team. Go and check Harbour team. Most Premier League baller when me a youth, a ball boy for Boys Town, most of them are drive, you know. Them get good money and Tivoli Garden when half season them still get paid, you know. Which team in Jamaica ever do that? Different from Tivoli Garden.
You are going with me now. Why me can't? With me personally, why me can't make an assessment to that? I have never seen a player take out in play slip and show me. So
military, listen, military. Me do interview. Well, I know military. Me do interview with a whole heap of player. When T got their Arnett Garden and when the coach, we usual coach Portmore, the police brother name, when name again, man. Bibi or something like so. Me I tell you, me the Boys Town, O'Neal Bigger Thompson, them Virgo, them Kirk Porter.
Them money I get 100,000 them time then.
Listen, brother, me I tell you say, lot back then player get more money than the current player. Then.
No, but you can't use one individual player.
No, military, just cool man and listen, brother. I know you watch a Premier League in the military.
No, what?
Listen.
Rand,
no, you watch a Premier League.
Rand.
Military.
You think I know me on the Premier League? I joke here, man. Not because
listen,
you never have vlog on the Rand.
Alright. Military.
Yo, what?
Military.
Me I watch it a long time, bro. Me I tell you truth.
You know what?
Listen.
Hold on. Military. But then, hold on, let me finish and give my boy. Because we now make it, my boy there and make it a talk. Hold on.
In 2008 was the first Mr. Jeremy and you. In 2008, Jeremy and you come play ball at your turn, Corner League. And Mr. Where did this man come from?
So I tell you how much money I get on it, girl.
I mean,
Brother, can't use
I
individual.
see the man. Now don't be the
I
man.
don't know, Virgin. He's not an individual player, may I tell you. He's not. He's no, brother.
You can't
Brother.
him a while ago in a bad man. But then man get 100,000 in a brother and 120 in a bad man. Nobody
What is it?
you feel like you're there a long time.
Bala.
We can't correlate to that.
Interview
Well, no, brother.
with Edwards. You do an interview there with Edwards. And what Edwards said here on it. Edwards asked the same question when I ask you. Why players these days I get 45,000? The players I get back in a 03, 04. You remember the question that I asked you?
Some player.
So Ryan, you not think a modern time football now, bro? You not think a player supposed
Bro.
to get
Bro, most of the players them in a JPL now,
yeah.
them need to give them at least a JPL player supposed to go home with $1,000 him supposed to go home.
Yeah, but we can't say wrong on that, Ryan. We can't say wrong on that. But the question is, Ryan, listen to this, no.
Bro, if military, more be a C, but them man not get good money, brother.
But you have to understand this. You remember, look what we said a while ago. In regards to sponsorship, right? In regards to sponsorship, look what I said a while ago. Who usually sponsor them teams back then? Those were the levels that was involved in football back then. Those were the levels of sponsorship that was involved in football back then. You can't account for that now. I want the sponsorship now. Faster was an influencer. Faster was an influencer of sponsorship now.
Alright, well on, gentlemen, let's give Shappy a chance to talk. So make more hear my boss. What about my general? Where I say?
Yeah, but there I'm listen no. What would they know? The local league or
well on with the local league. You've been around. Well on, you've been around long time, innit? You've been around long time. Are you believe the current player them I get more than enough of the player them back then?
Well, we can't really question. We can't really. I don't know, because for some reason, Mount Pleasant show most team in terms of money. Because me know.
Brother, Arne Gardner give money, brother.
Right, make it done.
Wait, no. Me know, man, a Mount Pleasant, I walk with about $200,000.
Bro,
yeah.
Look at Corberg.
Corberg said no, Ryan.
What Corberg said? No.
Ryan said no.
Ryan come from Rima. I'm pick up from Rima, man. Because he can call bigger on him phone.
Brother. No, brother. May I tell you about? Hold on, brother. Listen, brother. May I tell you about Arnett? May I tell you about Boystone? May I tell you about Tivoli? May I tell you about Harbour? May I tell you about Waters?
Why you use as a skill?
Bro,
Why you use as
remember,
a skill?
No, me interview player and dialogue behind the phone and be off camera. Me know some of these things, brother. Movie just a talk, brother. You understand?
You know, remember when Big Thomas tell upon he interview him, do say him used to collect 120 a month.
Yeah. So no, me know that.
You call 3 player name, Ryan. You call 3 player. I'm call it 3 of them. And them player they used to get 100,000, 110 and 120, Ryan. Ryan.
So you say no player never get 150,000.
All of my cousin them play Premier League.
Yeah.
Yeah? Wolf, Rafi, and Raphael. You see me?
Ryan may be right still when he must say nobody now get them money that's right now in my boss. Cause
man, did they right now?
Let me say.
No, Ryan may be right. Ryan may be right when him say no money in there. Because I have majority club Mount Pleasant alone have the biggest wage bill right now. Mount Pleasant out player whole heap of team right now.
Yeah, but
you know who you have the biggest pay bill in Jamaica in the Jamaican Premier League.
Lion.
Me can tell you more than 3 teams where the man them wage bill is way over it.
blows down, screw my phone get hot.
You see it? Me can tell you. Anek yard, you see Anek yard, brother. Brother, cash them man to get them money, brother. The breed of money where the man them get a Anek. The breed of money where the man them get out. Even boy stone, even
How
Tivoli.
much money you used to get for ball boy?
Me?
Yeah. And don't
No,
lie.
when me a ball boy for boy stone, me not really get no money. But when my ball boy at the national stadium, me get money.
What may I say this now, right? Look on this, right? In that evening, that event,
Yeah,
right?
see, Jamaica, yeah, you know.
So Corberg I say, man back then I get more money.
So that me I tell you, brother, that me I tell you, military.
Listen to me.
Hold on there. Dari, me just see you join the live, brother. Text me up on WhatsApp right now, brother. Me miss up your number, brother.
Alright, watching around. Back then, you know, you just mentioned something what kind of evaluate your point, but also highlight the reason for that. Back then, look at the sponsorship that you mentioned back then.
Yeah, but them not. But hold on, no. But me hear the PLC man them say the league has get more sponsor it has ever get. So what them a talk about?
Yeah, but hold on. Even so, let me show you, Ryan. So you have people competition, Ryan. And here we go now. The commission have one sponsor, and the sponsor, I probably say sponsor.
Bro, me even call your team Rivali. You know how much edges usual get for Rivali?
Hold on, Ryan. Listen to me, reason, man. Say sponsorship a Samsung, right?
Yeah.
You are running a league, your sponsorship as Samsung. Listen to me now. Me run my league, and my sponsorship I would think of. Who you think are pulling the more money? Most your sponsor want Samsung a sponsor you, which means that your players might get way more money in your league. Look at the sponsorship for JPL have right now. Let me see if I can reel them up. Fast vote and them places in comparison.
Brother, money in our Premier League now, brother.
Brother, let me tell you something, brother. Let me tell you this straight, brother. Money in our Premier League. The man them who run the club, them too wicked and thief, brother.
Brother,
them for no, bro, what me I tell you, no, brother, hold on the military, because you know me not mince murder, I think. I want the youth them to get more money. Stop playing with the youth them. Hold on, brother. Hold on, brother. Let me tell you this, brother. The man them who own the club of Jamaica, brother, on the too wicked. I want alone one benefit. The youth them a get a youth. Pay the money, pay the youth them what them really truly deserve. And stop playing with the youth them. How comes couple years ago, some player get bigger and then, brother, we need to improve the thing, Virgin. I only alone want to eat feet. Stop playing with the youth them, brother. You know it's hard for play football.
Yeah,
the youth them, you know, the youth them have them youth and thing, Virgin. Pay the youth them what them deserve, Virgin, and stop playing with the youth them.
Me with you with that, right?
Me agree.
Yeah.
100%.
100%.
But you are going now. How you think we can implement something like that?
Ryan, me I got talk. You see me?
Anyway, gentlemen, me have to go leave on you, because I have a wicked show on them. I have a show at 11 o'clock, so I have to go left on you now, brother.
11 o'clock? Movie I watch?
No, man, no, because 10 o'clock at Jamaica now, you see? 11 o'clock for me.
Which one me 11 o'clock?
Alright.
Eh?
Which one me there 11 o'clock?
Yeah, but we need to have some more of this barbershop talking and thing because it's good. You understand? So, you see me I say about military, big up yourself, thanks for having me. Where name again, Shappy?
Yeah, Mario.
No, man, you have another name, man.
Banger.
Yeah, yo, brother, big up yourself, Bridging. Yo, no flop, Bridging.
Thanks for coming out,
yeah.
Well,
yeah.
I know what I go on, you see me?
Yeah, man, and man, them at Jamaica, stop play with the youth, them, man. Give the youth them what them deserve, man. Too much time now, only alone, brother, and I drive the nice, pretty car. The youth them want to drive car, too. Stop play with the youth them and pay the youth.
Hey, right, Mr. One coach of Benz, the man I drive. I say, yeah? Big
alright, and the court, you don't think that you don't, I'm not going to say still, I don't know about the Premier League, but some of the highest paying coach, them in Jamaica, a coach in Manning Cup, brother.
Yeah, remember what the mother come live.
Eh?
One go there show, remember what the man.
No man, Bridging, when me talk no Bridging, I don't know nobody, I don't know no personal, we just want the thing for just run good, so AP, big up yourself, brother. nothing about respect for all of the Reggae Boyz and player, nothing about respect for football player because it don't easy to play professional football. You understand? And these man go through a lot of stuff. You understand? But the end of the day, we are fans and we know them can do better. And that's why we are here to beat them, build them, bring them up, and all of them things about. Baller, Reggae Boyz baller. When you hear me talk, Bridget, nothing personal. I just do my job. Big up on yourself, enough love and respect.
Peace. All right, big up, bro. Big up.
Career.
Yeah. Big up, brother, military.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yo, it's tough out there still. Look, I mean, I tell you, the youth them up. Yo, I got a training session. I mean, I watch a training session. I mean, I say, yo, the amount of work for the man them put in at the training session. I tell you the truth. It's tough. It's tough. Because man them train hard. Them put in a whole heap of work. And for them not get rewarded if you work and not put in, I do believe that is very much unfair. And as Ryan says, still, if it owe them all the money, hey, that look good. But no way not look good.
Military. Me never share this with nobody. Well, me share it with my wife because she know, and me share with Damien Stupies because I met the link.
Yeah.
The other day when the premier.
Hold on. What
on, my boss?
My dear man. See that Rick said something still. When Rick done, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Back when COVID just done and the league out for start back for the 4 months. All I for me, they oversee.
Yeah, break up.
Yo, you have to go sit there, you have to jump up and come back. Your phone and do something this and you have feedback.
Yeah, hear me now. Yeah, hear me good, me general.
Hold on, you have to go jump up and come back. I think I'll give you a feedback. You see me?
That me?
Yeah, man.
Forward off.
All right. You have to know.
And Ryan, when we talk and everything, I agree, reach Jamaica. Reach a Jamaica first training session, I go. The man asked me, why me I come back to Jamaica come play? If I not make money in the league. And I laugh. And I say, but you're not going to tell me this from before. Me forward, yeah.
Yeah.
I got humble and me built in so fast. And I just give the man them a price and the man them just work with the man them itch. And me still end up never get to play because me did a overstay in the country. Me did that though. Me did that go on 6 months.
Yeah.
So for me, the team, most of the team them for play the players them for real. You cannot give a man 30,000 and 20,000, bro.
Yeah, that not sound good. That not sound good.
I think it from Antigua to come to Jamaica 2-way ticket at 100,000, you know.
Wow.
And if I feel like a lie, me I tell, check it. Anybody who come Antigua can tell you 100,000 for a 2-way ticket. And plus, when me get to Jamaica, I have to buy gas to drive go more lines.
Yeah, I have to buy food for eat too.
No, me never worry about the food. But
Yeah,
just
yeah.
So them for deal with the players them good. And you can't give one that amount of money there. For instance, me a military, me a in a team. A big baller, me a big baller, right? You are gonna give me 100,000 and you are
see after man.
in
Yo, bro.
Yeah, man. You hear me now?
Yeah, man. I hear you. Where are you?
Yeah. You see you play them now. I get more money than the player them back then.
No, bro.
Well,
you play them now in a Jamaica Premier League.
Yeah.
I get more. You know what make me say that?
Yeah.
You see, back then play them, 95% of them have them visa. Just when league done, them are going to Bronx, them are going to States, go play corner league. So comes. Them baller they afford for the drive car when they come back a yard.
No, but it must start boy now. Hold on. The man make reference to pay from club, you know.
Yeah. Me the player them now money.
You feel so?
Yeah, man. But then, you know,
What
all
about
right.
from the
Yo,
club?
All right.
if, no.
All right. Remember, you know, but then, you know, you probably have a Jeremy in you have a Taylor, you have Harvey. You probably have 5 man I get, say 100,000. The rest of man, them could either get 25,000 a month, and that we feel talk about.
Which one are the Harvey? Christopher Harvey?
Yeah, me I say, like, monthly, them used to get them big money. But
Yeah.
what about the little player them? Remember say little player them now get no 200, no 50,000. I good at 25 or 15,000 then get.
Bro, yeah. Now go look on a look 17-year-old or 18-year-old
And give them 100,000.
bro.
Well on, and that's why I tell us that no, the youth them will get more because at a 18-year-old they collect more they collect 100 a month.
Depends on the 18-year-old, you know.
Yeah.
So you
Now
that
that
18-year-old that
man.
represent the national team.
I have to say depends on the 18-year-old, you know, bro.
Yeah man, because even me know baller we used to get crumbs Harbour View, man. Crumbs and a baller. So
All right. But
you wait now, cause for real, I look for the ratio. Humble Lion pay some serious money, you know. Right now, you know. If a baller, if I like all a laddie rich, you know, Mount Pleasant say right in time up. If you go Humble Lion and tell him say as such you want, Humble Lion not rich, you know.
but still remember say him have a national cap, you know, bro.
Yeah.
Wages, you know.
That's true.
But as me see what you say still no, but also Ryan also have a good point, you see me? Because if you look for the money what come from the club to the players as salary, that is in a perspective we must speak from. You know,
Exactly.
speak from where Kibal them can left from here, so go a brag
Yeah,
piece of money
we know, but
and buy a vehicle. Matter about what you might get from the club, from them train and
for
work
real,
hard.
for real.
Yeah.
Man, so me I say the player them now have way more advantage than the player them back then.
Advantage in what way?
Remember,
Every kind of way, both living wise, food wise, and the player them now better off, man. Me remember one time me left school and my bridging them left and go play for Village United. When me they come from work, more while I me they see in the street they come from work and me have to give them a piece of money, see them and say, yo, well I'm on this. You see me?
Yeah.
A rough enough baller, you see, you know. A rough then go through, you know, man.
Brother, you have enough baller now have it easy because you have a lot of them youngster drive go training. You see me?
Yeah.
Remember a lot of players them now not really play for love like before.
And for them a play for, man.
For them I play for Instagram like see me, them not play with the art, bro.
Yeah. I play with the fanciness.
Blessings.
Exactly.
Blessings.
Me just get to accept me not try to accept for a long time.
I go refer something right military. I don't remember if I remember going to Western sports and see Ulri pitch up on Puma sign. Right?
Put up.
Yeah. A lot of people don't remember that and know of that. A lot of people or him rich off of that him no make no like
Yeah, the gentleman we are talking about the players that get more money now than back then.
Yeah.
All right, may I play Premier League from 99? May I play for Constant Spring?
Hold on.
Blessings.
Blessings.
Yeah, man, blessings. That's our word, boss. Yeah, man, may I play for Constant Spring from 99?
Benjamin, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but a long time that Benjamin play, man.
Yeah, man, for 2003,
yeah.
From Boys Town, 2003 to 2017. You see now, you have a Mobile United. Them not paying the money.
Yeah.
No.
True.
You see Cavaliers, them not paying the money.
That's true.
Youths, they must give them work and you know a little stipend.
Yeah, I
that's true. That's true.
Benji.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask a personal question, and I don't want to ask you, but I ask everybody when I talk to. I ask Alan King when I talk. I ask them questions because I want to know.
Yeah.
If I reach the level there, I want to know what to expect.
Yeah.
So back in 2003, why?
Come again?
Back in 2003, what was your age? What was your
salary? What was my what? The ways?
Your monthly salary. Back in
no, them time that I play for Constant Spring, I work. About 20, I was getting a lot of money. Trust me, at Constant Spring, I was getting a lot of money.
Just give me a rate.
You want a figure?
Like, all right, back in 25-30.
35-30.
25-30.
Yeah.
25-30.
25-30, yeah. I was because I was playing I was playing Premier League, yeah. Because I was playing under 21. I was playing under 21 and Premier League at the same time. 2001, yeah. 2003, yeah.
Me know a player right now. We're a big man. We're a player in the Premier League. I get $30,000.
Oh, when?
No, and when him tell
yes, yeah. No, yeah. People get that now, yeah.
When him
get that now.
And him a big man. And when him tell me that, I'm telling him that.
Yeah, we can't call out of the 12 team, no. I can name 5 teams that not paying money.
Yeah. What a 5 team?
That's why Cavaliers use be a local man.
Be a little boy, because them not pay. You see me, Bola is not paying a lot of money neither.
And that's why
the highest man might get a 30 or 25.
Back, you know.
Uncle play money and more lines at the Nelson, bro.
Yeah. I play with it.
Can't give all of them work. And Herman, as you talk about money in ball. Me can't talk because them can't tell me nothing. Them not pay. You see, Humble Lion.
No.
Mount Pleasant.
Exactly what happened.
Fear. Well, me hear Vera play. I pay.
Yeah. Vera appear. Yeah.
Mount Pleasant, Humble Lion. Dunbeholden, me hear them.
Yeah, them have a little thing too.
You see me, Portmore, the up and down. On it, the on top.
Tivoli not pay money again, you know.
Tivoli never used to pay money.
All right.
Tell him again. Him not here. Tell him again.
So when Ryan attack,
as former Premier League players, what you think can happen now for improve the thing where more money can flow and everything where you have more ball and get better paid? It's the case, you know, she ball them go farmer union where the union are going to look out for them and say, hey, this we need to have a salary, a wage cap where no player over the age of 18 cannot get below this amount of money or something
as
like
that.
As
say, it's a long time. It's not just now what you're saying. It's not just now. It's a long time.
Yeah, me know. But that's a long time, you know. Benji, that's a long time. What about how we can fix it now? What we can do to fix it? What you know? May I have a person like this, right? We identify the issues, but we want to fix it as well. We can't get up every day and talk about all the things that are wrong and can't come up with a solution.
It's not going to fix.
It's not going to fix. They don't want it to fix.
From JFF not going to fix. What's that from this? From JFF not going to fix. It's not going to fix. No else can fix. Because it don't make any sense. You're playing. It's not making sense. You're playing a tournament for $1,000 and you're spending $3,000.
True.
And then 3,000 inside the venue.
No, I'm saying you play for cup. You play for the tournament. You play the winning person get $1,000, and then club wise they're gonna spend $3,000, and you're only gonna win $1,000.
No, that doesn't make sense.
Exactly. So now,
so you win a Premier League. How much money do you win?
Them are win the Premier League award. Them are win what? Them are win $2 million and I spend $10 million.
Then wage is way past that long time.
Expense,
food and everything.
So everything, brother. So basically, close down operate at a loss then.
Yeah.
Better say so.
So more while I just fear They just wish they sell a player if make back a big piece of food.
Okay, that's why you have the Harbour View, you have the Portmore.
Yeah, you have.
So,
Yeah.
question. So that could be one factor why we have the clubs them or the member of the JFF, associated to the JFF, using the national team to filter players in the national team to bolster them salary or to get sales with them so that the club can make a piece of money.
Make a money. That's it.
But they know how to do that. Right now, the way things set up, the player them can get see from club and get them by. See fast do it. Whole heap of baller do it, you see me? So right now, we things set. Remember say,
you all them questions then, I write them down, you know. I write them down because the JFL will have a press conference tomorrow, and I think these are some of the things that we can bring to the press conference so big people can see and we can ask about it and we get to them answer, know what they want to think. Because the truth is this, you know, as players, as fans, as analysts, or whatever we be, who they on the outside, we can do whole for speculation to find out how them do things. But guess what we not do? We not ask them. So for example, like Ben Jesus, because they did a play for the club, you don't want to ask them question, you know. Because you think about the work, you know.
Yeah.
If like me now, me not work for them, me can ask them question.
Yeah.
How you do this? Why procedure in doing this? How you go about doing this? So for example, you know, like the Premier League, what is the value of the Premier League? When a club win the Premier League, how much money then the club get? What is the club wage bill? All the club man keep themselves above water. So these are the questions we need to ask, and these are the only way we can find out how things are go and the way things are go bad. That is the reason why a while ago I mentioned to you, if we must can work out something where you have at least a wage cap where I said, okay, none of the players them cannot get anything below that. And it is the responsibility of the club them to get proper sponsorship.
You have young players that's in the team that going to get amateur contract, you know.
Yeah, man, I understand that, you know. But even the amateur contract, even the amateur contract, the
don't
young
look for a
players,
youth and give him 10,000.
You can't look for a young youth because my young youth and give him $10,000.
No.
Exactly. So you have an amateur, so you have a 18-year-old, a young youth, 18-year-old, you say have an amateur contract. But guess how him know? Him have a youth. He have a youth. You can't kill him for that time. He already have a youth. Guess what? No. You can't depend on amateur contract when I get this little bit of money. That can't work.
But remember, somebody who play Premier League now are schoolers. They're going to school.
I understand that. That's why I say 18-year-old. Remember saying that at 18 before you can sign a professional contract.
Notice how which club they get all a young player them.
Even if he go school or not, he can sign a professional contract and get paid because he could have been at 18 working outside of school and getting paid. He's eligible and legal too.
Yeah.
So playing football is legal too. So professional contract are whatever the underage the lower age contract.
Lower age, yeah.
Yeah, we'll take with that. Wage cap. So no player no get under 30 grand. Yes, a player no good and he not perform. You get your flat 30 grand. If you want more money, you improve your performance, you go find a club or get game time. If you improve your performance, you will look to get more money. But guess what? It can be a case in which you get 30,000 years up, and then now he move unless he go a lower tier.
Lower team.
So if you go a lower tier now, for them wage cap lower. So you can understand that now.
So all on the military, you know, say, by right though, you know, say most players we play where we call Confederate Tier 2, they get more money than the player them. Some player in the Premier League.
All right, but we can't really look on that now because in the event, you have a baller at Mullins, right? And him not good. So I get a 25,000 a month. And him not good. And then now you have a baller play for Chapelton and Maroons, who a bad baller for Chapelton Maroons. Them don't want to let him go. So them put him for 150,000 a month. You see me? So you can understand the correlation there. No, this is what I say now. If any club, the reason I me insist on the wage cap, because the minimum wage is 9,000 something. No player not supposed to get below minimum wage. If if something there is included, if you talk about something, oh Rick, oh me about Rick. Oh sorry, if a player have I go for one club and them up get the minimum wage. So basically so put your 10,000, minimum wage at 10,000. Means that minimum player supposed to get has to be 40,000 per month minimum. Because he must operate at the lower tier, so because he's not anybody's ball in a club and him young, so he's 18-year-old still a learn. But the minimum wage should be that. Don't look for a ball and your game one blouse and skirt 25,000 and him have one youth to look after. He must come and training session for the rest of the month. He must go ball game them. He must look after himself. He must pay him bills and something there. We can't keep him like boy because someone live with him mother means he not a responsibility.
If I take bus, transportation, you know that they're ready for the month.
Exactly. And look at no for the youth them want go back to school and kind of stuff. So we can't stuck in our mindset. That is the reason I'm saying no. We cannot look for the issues right now. We look for all the issues them. But there must be a solution at somewhere. And if these solutions or these issues are not talked about, not only in private areas, we can discuss it on big platform where thousands of people are see it. So we can say you are one. It can address.
But when me say me general,
yeah,
you know what? Big brother, and this attack from long time.
It attack from long time.
But military,
a long time.
When me say,
what you are saying is not the first. What you are saying is not the first. From way back, these things are saying that players are getting. I don't know. That's why some players have to do 2 work and then come at training. For me, I was doing that. I have to go to UC, left UC, come to work. And when I train very hard. You know that too.
Yeah.
And that nothing happen.
And that nothing happen.
You know, I see Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi and them are left on a job.
All right. Let me show you. If a ball them get minimum wage, right? And the ball them get 40 grand, say, look at tax or something come out there, so they get like 38,000. I think.
Wait, hey. Hold on. That's the next thing. The taxes, no tax coming out.
No, you're not.
You're
under the wage to collect tax off it. So no tax shouldn't come out right.
All right.
Yeah, you're under the wage threshold to collect tax. So in this, what I say now is this. So basically, the ball get minimum wage, which is 40,000 a month. Anything that come out right it can't go below 40,000 a month because a minimum wage the ball get. So in that case, I think many players will be happy for that. First thing first, you can find out say you have some school youth or some 19-year-old, 20-year-old who can find themselves now, go back to school, or go further education while some are playing football. Even if them pick up a serious injury, them can probably go in a analytics or something with football or some analysis of football. So them have the knowledge, can still participate in a football and still get paid. So in the case they get an ACL injury and then career done. Or a broke foot and then career done. And because they never further education.
Military good. Remember say we have a new media, you know.
It happened. It's happened.
Remember say YouTube and new media, you know. So
if
a youth when they play football, like he get a broke foot where he can't play again and he know about the game, all you have to do is build a channel and start in football thing.
But you think, yes, the YouTube thing is not as easy as how you look at it.
Yeah, but that's why I say, but you still have to put in the work.
Sure.
But when me they say, me no feel say no club at all in a Jamaica for the push the player them in the national team for get by. Sure. Because now all the Premier League set up are goals. Me I watch the Premier League on goals. So you know say the thing they worldwide.
Yeah man.
So if a player good, then we see them. Me know they see Cephas. Cephas gone there. Me and them say by grave go Vietnam. And every baller go England or them place. A baller can go elsewhere, go make money to feed them family, you know. You see me?
You know me can say something too, no? Did you know that on a percentage base, the players them who make it to the elite level of football is less than 10%?
Yeah, I know that. I
Less
know that.
than 10.
Elite level, less than 10%.
Um,
So when you
If
see
a
a man
baller,
make it to the
if
elite
a,
level, let me tell you this: sheer talent and will to make it to the level. Man.
sacrifice.
You know, the man has sacrifice. All right, look at Ronaldo and Messi. Them man live on strict diet. They not go party. They not go party. They not do no drinking. They not no smoking because they live a particular lifestyle.
schedule.
See what they
And,
do.
and
Yeah.
that's why them stay so long. Notice the player them will love party. Then done fast.
So, but yes or no, no. I think in Jamaica now, the players are adapted to professionalism there now. Where them
Yeah,
are.
man. Them are do it now, man.
No, them a do it no. Them a do it no. No.
Yeah, because
And it's good. And it's good too. It's good too.
Because they know some money out there now where they can take care of them
So
family.
them can't make it more than back then. They can
Yeah.
make it now than
That,
back then.
that me I say no.
Benjamin, and
yeah,
every one of them are do it.
No, not all.
Not,
But
but
Not all.
majority of them are do it now.
all right, not all.
we just say some.
Just some.
When me tell a man say, me no,
You break up, man. You break up.
when me tell a man say, me no party and me no drink, him say a lie, me a tell.
Yeah. No, but remember the reason why no. There's a notion that all Premier League ball, I know, are strictly party and drink and smoke, you know. Me say, hold on. me I do a show already for my YouTube channel, right? And one particular ball, I know, one JPL ball, I know, I play for the national team now in tired, you know. You know, man, like 80 minutes when man tired. A man come in the comment section now, say, boy, he grab up on the man chest, stand up. I'm just saying no. I'm just laugh because it is a preconceived notion. You say go. And the truth is gonna say go.
Military.
Gonna say go.
Right now, if you them get a contract, a Costa Rica, then figure.
Them take it up and them take it and gone. Them take it
I
and
mean,
gone.
And money, you know.
enough man say the USL this and the USL that. If 10 baller from the local league can go USL,
Good league.
5,000 a week.
And the money
They can build
Good
their house when they come back a yard and make a life. You know,
that's it. Then exactly. That is the reason man them are run because of the money. The league will continue to deteriorate, you know. As Ryan did say, you know, because there's no money in the league. So players are run go anywhere the money there. If I even Trinidad and them pay $500 more, even $500 Jamaican dollar more,
Even Antigua.
they might go feed. That is the reality. And
Yo,
that's the reality of faith. So guess what gonna happen now? All of the best players them consistently are gonna leave the league.
Eh?
And every team in Antigua pay.
No, I know.
Yeah, we just bro.
About
if they pay $500 more,
about 2 or 3 teams. I know, man.
if they pay $500 more, then money willing to go.
Yo, team play in Antigua, but depends on how you come up. So for instance, Christopher Harvey bring in a Antigua, kind of team you will get money.
Yeah.
That me.
Yo, we come here, a team bring you up, you get money, but you still get bad treatment.
Bad treatment for everybody everywhere. Everywhere.
Definitely.
You read some ball in a League 2 in England. And the man then say, in a League 2 as a England, as a Jamaican, rough.
Yeah,
you
definitely.
Your P's and Q's, simplest thing. Man,
Definitely.
It rough out them, man. It rough out them.
Definitely.
But Jen, you're going, I'll close off and now, still, even though no say the reason kind of nice, doesn't mean.
Yeah, that's how
Yeah, man, respect, man.
That's how man.
I'll put it on YouTube.
Blessings, man.
So Jen,
Blessings.
open up in the way, I talk up on YouTube channel now.
That's how man. No problem.
We are talking, so them can see where we are come board.
Yeah, man. All right. People
You have to
comment
walk my
section.
doors. It have to walk my doors, you know, bro.
All right. Everybody in the comment section, respect a later hours on turn out and still there out if you're a good one now. Big up. All the gents, big up for coming on. You hear me? I say,
Yeah, man,
really respect
the JPL show same way, man.
People love it, man. People love it. May I keep it up, man. Me still move it from Instagram to me YouTube still now.
You have to take up. you have to take a flight coming to Antigua, because a lot of Jamaicans there, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
When me have some money, I can buy a ticket. Me not rich like you know.
Yeah, man, go rich. Me rich with life, you know.
Yeah.
Make him know. Make him know.
Me rich
Me
in a
rich with
blessing.
life.
But me
Me
not.
rich
Yo.
with life.
Me not have money.
Yo, baller.
Me still I play football.
Me gonna put up a GoFundMe. Tell him man say I'm gonna travel the world.
Man doesn't respect me, general. Me a fuck make me out.
Yeah, man. Big
I
up.
say,
All
well,
them
big up
man,
yourself.
big
Big up
up.
yourself, military.
Ah.
All
You're
them
rich, man.
ballers,
Say, well,
big
you
up.
know.
Yeah, man. Big up, man.
Chop, brother.